The Raw and Racing Iskarab draws for your lead, moving up Mesmerize. Island Friend moving up on the outside is Ideal View. Then on the further outside moving up is entry number 7, and that's Summer Rain. Lady Tycoon also in there as they head towards the last 450. Mesmerize running on the outside. Iskarab is running by the rail, and moving up on the outside is Ideal View. Lady Tycoon, Ever Charming is running by the rail. Then comes Terrible Heart with the last 200 meters more to run. Ideal View. Iskarab is on the outside with the last 150 more to run. Ideal View. Iskarab is on the outside. Gondor also closing in and leading the finish line. It's going to be Ideal View, Iskarab, Gondor, Reporter. Then comes Mesmerize for your Pentafecta.